Welcome to this final video, where I'll give you the last instructions and show you the final page. On the settings page, you'll find your account configurations, notification email settings, license payment options, and, finally, information about the software version. Let's take a look at the section dedicated to email notifications. From here, thanks to a simple interface, you can enable or disable the emails you receive, depending on the configuration of your pages. It's easy to see where each email comes from, thanks to the clear association between names, icons, and their corresponding pages. For example, Email Invite Dojo refers to the Dojo page and indicates that you'll receive an email notification each time you send or receive an invitation to the Dojo. Alright, that's all for this section. Let's now go back to the settings page. Now let's take a look at the subscription section. This page displays your active subscription, if you have an active Dojo account. From here, you can view your Dojo-On license and manage your payment cards, either through Stripe or the Dojo-On system. Since payments are mainly handled by Stripe, we recommend always referring to Stripe for greater security. So we've now covered the sections: account, email notifications, and subscription. Be careful not to confuse the subscription section with the lesson ticket section, which refers to the judo lesson subscriptions that you provide to your judokas. The lesson ticket section was covered in a previous video. I'll leave the link to that dedicated video here. As the final section, you'll find information about the software version and related details. Final note: everything you've seen in these tutorials is meant to guide you in using Dojo-On correctly. The system is designed to perform at its best, but occasional bugs or anomalies may occur. Don't worry. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us improve. You can report any issues through the support chat or by writing to support@dojo-on.com. We recommend proceeding as follows. For visual bugs, error messages, or non-functional pages, take a screenshot and send it via email. For malfunctions or clarifications, please use the chat instead. We wish you a great training session. See you soon.